Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture, where flavor and design collide. Today I am going to talk about the biochemistry that happens behind the stiff egg whites, particularly when you're going to be making meringues or macarons. Have you ever wondered why your meringues sometimes fall flat or your macarons don't rise just right? The secret lies in the science of stiff egg whites, and today we're going to break it down. Stiff egg whites are egg whites that have been whipped to the point where they form glossy, stable peaks that stand tall. This stage is essential for the structure of meringues and the delicate lift on macarons. When you whip egg whites, you're doing more than adding air. You are reshaping the proteins. Whipping causes a denaturation where the tightly folded proteins unravel and trap air, forming a stable foam. In meringues, stiff egg whites provide the framework that keeps them airy and crisp. If your peaks are too soft, the foam collapses and hello, sad meringues puddle. You can always add stabilizers in the link above. You can read more about it. Macarons are even trickier. Their iconic feet and smooth tops rely on the right texture of stiff but not dry egg whites. And there are three important things that you will always need to remember when you're going to be making meringues. One is that you have to always use room temperature egg whites because they're going to foam faster. You are going to be very careful of not adding any drop of yolks to the whites because the fat will interfere with the protein bonding. And number three, always use a clean, dry bowl to ensure maximum volume. Whether you are making fluffy pavlovas or flawless French macarons, the key to success lies in mastering the chemistry of egg whites. And understanding what's happening in the bowl will take your baking to the next level. Okay guys, this is it for today. If you like learning the science behind the bake, don't forget to subscribe for more baking tips, tutorials, science-backed secrets. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.